tax season, but before you file, you may have questions.
That's right. So we decided to go straight to the experts at Kembel Tax Service. Take a look.
At this point, you are most likely getting your W-2s and your 1099s from 2017 together, so we want to turn to the experts to find out what we need to know before we file. Here with some information is David Kembel from Kembel Tax Service. Welcome to the show. Great to have you.
Thanks for having me.
We have lots and lots of questions.
Okay.
We're very confused. Big changes this year,
yes.
Right? What are they?
Well, a lot of it takes effect in 18, so I think right about now folks are seeing a little bit more money in their paycheck because the tax rates dropped, and the IRS is getting those the new formulas out now and the new tables for everybody. So hopefully, with smaller taxes come bigger paychecks.
Oh, I like the sound of that. That's for
sure.
Yep,
everybody likes that.
Yeah.
So I know they're excited there.
Yeah. Now, you said that there might be some delays for people. Why? What's going on?
Starting last year, Congress told the IRS to hold up refunds for folks that they suspect might be a little bit fraudulent. So what folks were doing is getting fake names, emails, or fake IDs, and filing tax returns that didn't exist. So now employers have to get the W-2s to the IRS by the end of January, and that'll give the IRS 2 weeks until February 15th to match everything up. So when you file a tax return now with us or with anybody, the IRS, we send it to the IRS now, they've got it, but they're saying they're not even going to start processing it until February 15th.
Oh.
And then on the 15th, they'll process it and you'll get it back in a couple weeks.
Okay.
And this is only affecting folks with the earned income credit or the additional child tax credit.
Okay.
Anything else, and you're good to go.
Okay. Keep that in mind. Okay. Let's talk about next year.
Okay.
Everyone has been talking about Trump tax bill.
Yep.
Okay. How is that going to impact our filings for 2018?
You're going to see fewer deductions.
Okay.
Employee business expenses are gone, so folks that drive trucks, salesmen that put miles on their car,
Can't
home
deduct
offices, nope, all that stuff's gone. But what you get in return is smaller tax brackets, and the tax rate dropped. So we're projecting right now, the returns we're filing right now, my software prints out a comparison to show you what you'll do next year. And so far everybody's getting more back next year than they got this year.
That was my next question,
Okay.
is who benefits from it? So everybody's going to benefit?
No, I think if you have a lot of deductions and those folks haven't filed yet, the folks that are filing now are pretty simple. So if you got pretty simple taxes, not too many deductions, then more than likely you'll get more back.
Okay.
If you're used to deducting a lot, mortgage interest and employee business expenses, you're probably going to get hurt, and you may not, you may actually lose out a little bit.
Yeah, and speaking of deductions, there's very limited, right? Amount of
Correct.
deductions.
Yep, they cut down the mortgage interest some, personal property taxes, your car taxes, that's gone. Can't deduct that anymore. And of course, paying me to do your taxes, you can't write that off anymore.
Okay, all right. So if people have questions or if they want you to file for them, how do they get in touch with you?
Our website, kembeltax.com, we're kind of proud of it. We think it's got loaded with everything you need.
Okay, so if they have some questions, they can always go to the website and get those answered.
Right.
Or give you a call. Kembeltax.com, do I
Correct.
have that right?
Yep.
And then 343-4006.
Perfect.
And you're located on Orange Avenue.
We are, and we just opened another location in Salem.
Oh, great. Okay, well, thank you so much for answering our questions. We appreciate it.
Very cool. Thanks for having me.